Hey guys, it's Salvon. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm sharing my recipe for making simple, tasty shrimp spring rolls. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and let's get started.
You'll need 8 to 12 pieces of cooked shrimp. I actually sauteed mine first. About 6 to 7 pieces spring rolls rice paper, 1 package of lettuce mix, or you can thinly slice your own lettuce, carrots, or whatever veggies you want. A handful of herbs. Today I'm just using cilantro and no noodles. For the peanut sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons creamy peanut butter, a quarter cup hoisin sauce, 2 teaspoons garlic minced, 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon sesame oil optional, 1 tablespoon sriracha optional, and 2 tablespoons crushed roast peanuts, and that's also optional. I'll show you how to put this together. You'll want to have your items ready to go in assembly line fashion. I am pouring some hot water into my plate that I will be using to dip the wraps in. For my lettuce mix, I am going to toss away the harder stem parts of the lettuce that I don't want, or you can slice it down too, but the whole purpose of me using the baggy mix is for ease of convenience. Dip the wrap in the water and it will soften the longer that you let it rest in order for you to roll it. Add the lettuce mix, the shrimp, and I've cut mine into lengthwise, not the whole way through, and it will look like wings, and you want the inside part of the shrimp facing you. I'm making some with herbs and some without today. You want to fold it tightly like a round burrito and keep your hands on the ingredients as you are wrapping it. You can make it big, long, or short. That's going to be up to you. What's great about this recipe is that it's easy and you can use whatever is in season for herbs, for example, or whatever you have available for your protein. Sometimes I use thinly sliced cooked pork, beef, or chicken, or you can make this all vegan too and put in noodles with it, which is gluten-free, by the way. After 2 rolls, I'm pretty much good, but sometimes I make this as my whole meal and I eat up to 5 rolls, and it's really fulfilling. So here's an overview vision. Again, you'll dip your wrap in the water, and if the water starts getting too cold, you can add in a little bit of hot water. With some wraps, it hydrates pretty well and becomes pliable, and you don't have to do that. You go ahead and lay down your shrimp or whatever protein you have towards the top. Add in your veggies. And your herbs. In this case, it's cilantro. I like to tear them up into smaller pieces so it's easier to eat. You go ahead and fold it up. Hold it in tightly. Roll in the sides. And then hold it tightly again and tightly wrap it as you're going up. And there you go, yummy shrimp spring rolls. To make the peanut sauce dip, I have my heat on medium, about 1 tablespoon of oil, add in the garlic and then my brown sugar, mix it. I'm adding in my peanut butter, my hoisin sauce, a little bit of water, and we're going to go ahead and just mix it. Adding in my sesame oil. And keep stirring until it all comes together nice and smooth. And this can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 3 minutes, so it doesn't take very long at all. And it's going to start getting creamy. If the heat is too high for you, you could definitely turn it down. And you're going to just let this cool. Once it's cooled, you can then pour it into your serving bowl. And the crushed peanuts is optional, so if you have somebody that has allergy, you definitely don't want this sauce at all. And there you go.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment and share this with your family and friends. To see when I upload new videos, please subscribe to the channel. Khop Jai. Thank you. Until next time.